Welcome to another Beacon demonstration video. Today we'll be taking you through regional pricing as a continuation of our previous video on stock maintenance, how to add a stock item. So I would recommend before you watch this video, please make sure you've watched our first video on how to add a stock item and then come back to this video. So for certain sites that are part of an MSO, a head office, they will belong to certain regions where they may differ in prices between one region compared to another. So in head office level, what you're doing is you're going to stock up the top here, down to stock maintenance, and then to change. So once the Beacon team have already set you up with regions, each of the regions are now eligible for editing the price of in stock maintenance. So if I was to bring up my example item from before, we have the sell price available over here on the right hand side. But what we also have is down the bottom we have a button for regional pricing. So when I click on that, you can see once I've clicked on that button, we've got all the regions I've set up for this head office structure. So by default, my very top one there is for the Perth Metro, but you can see I've created different regions for different sites my branches may belong to, and you can see they all have at this current point the same price. But what I now have the ability to do is I can type in a different price if I have the item cheaper at one region compared to another. So for example, I might say this is $1.50 in this region, but then maybe this one here is $1.70. I also have the ability to select the GP and nominate that instead of the retail price. So I could say it needs to be 40% GP, and you can see when I've done that, the retail price has now changed as well. You can keep the prices as is, you don't need to alter it there. So if I want to keep that one, I can keep that. I can adjust the ones that I want to. And once I'm done, I just click OK over here. You can see this prompt does come and say it won't commit the changes until you hit OK on the next screen. So that's okay. I'm just going to hit OK to that first. And then basically down here, I press OK. And now the region price has taken effect. That will send that down to that store where their back office and point of sales will learn the new price. And to show you, once again, if I was to bring up the same item again, so these prices will push down to the back offices and in turn will push down to the point of sales, and those prices will start to take effect. And this is how you can maintain separate pricing at different regions across your network of MSO sites. And that's the simple nature of regional pricing. Thanks for watching our video on regional pricing. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@beaconsoftware.com.au.